Every warehouse team knows the frustration. A recall hits, a warranty claim comes in, and no one can say which box that unit actually shipped in. Order level tracking tells you the serial number went out on an order. It does not tell you which carton it was in. Package level serial and lot tracking in Dynamic Ship for Business Central closes that gap. As you pack, you scan each tracked item into a specific box. Dynamic Ship records that serial or lot number against that exact carton, right inside Business Central. The result? An accurate advanced ship notice for your EDI trading partners, scan to verify packing that catches mistakes before the label prints, and a recall trace that points to the package, the shipment, and the customer in seconds. Floor shippers, warehouse managers, and quality teams all rely on the same box-level data. No separate system, no reconciliation step. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.